All right. So once again, good morning, everybody. And now we will start. So this is basically a mock interview specifically for helping you out on confidence, clarity, and communication. So this is the primary agenda of this interview. And here, based upon your level, okay, so all of you are fresher level candidates and the profile which you have updated. So it will be completely dependent on that. And today we have Mr. Himanshu with us, and he is a working professional having great experience. So I would like to invite Mr. Himanshu to kindly introduce himself, and then we will go with the flow one by one, as I have already put upon here. So candidate one would be Dhanashree, second would be Aishwarya Sutar, and then we have Meenal, and then we have Preetham. So we'll try to cover as many as possible. Okay, and it'll be the flow would be something like we will have first attempt, and after that we will have a feedback for the first candidate. And during that time, if anybody is having any question, you are free and open to ask if you have any question. Okay, and similar way, then we will move on to the second one and do the same activity. Okay, so this will be the flow. So let's begin now. Let me ask first thank Mr. Himanshu Jagwani for accepting this invitation and spending time on a holiday and helping us out. So I would like to welcome Mr. Himanshu, and could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you so much, Kushal, to invite me in this wonderful session. So I would like to thank all of you. So guys, I'm Himanshu Jagwani. I'm working in Wipro Technologies since last 5 years. And I have overall 11 years of experience in this corporate industry, working as a team lead right now. I'm taking care of the solution architect part in Wipro. Here, I'm taking care of the data center operations, data center implementation, worked in almost all the technical, with technical OEMs like Cisco, Juniper, Avaya, Checkpoint, etc., etc. So overall, you can say a techie guy in front of you. So guys, this is my introduction. So Kushal, can we start from one by one, or will give some basic idea about communication and confidence, or we can start directly with the candidate?
Yes, it's up to you. If you wish, you may guide them before, and then Gaurang, can you please mute yourself? You are unmuted. Okay, so we can have that way. You can guide them, and then we can start with Dhanashree, who's the first candidate.
So as per my understanding, we can start with Dhanashree, so that whatever the question comes, so that we can explain. We can put our all these efforts in that direction only. So good morning, Dhanashree.
Good morning, sir.
Don't call me sir. That is a big thing in IT industry. If you call me sir, so you will be very nervous. Okay, so don't be a nervous. I'm not your sir. Okay, I am like your colleague. So treat me as a colleague. So you will be comfortable to give us an interview.
Okay.
So Dhanashree, introduce yourself, your qualities, your strength, your weakness. So your introduction should be like that only.
Hello, sir. I am Dhanashree Devekar. Basically, I am from Ralegaon City, a small village in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering and Research. I have done two major academics projects. The first one is soil analyzing tool, on which we have filed a patent, and the second one is smart helmet for mining purpose. I'm part of an NSS committee of my college. Also, I was IEEE member of our college branch. I got selected as a head of art and craft exhibition held in college. I also been a part of a team where we have represent Firodia Karanta. My strengths are creative thinking, then team management, and I'm quite optimistic.
Okay. So what level of team you have managed till now?
Okay, for projects, we have worked in three members of a team, three-member team.
So you have managed those three guys, or you were a part of that project, so you were working, support with each other,
We are
or
working in
you?
support with each other.
So that was not something like team management,
Okay, yes,
correct? And one thing you
yes.
have mentioned, you were part of a small village. What that small village?
Ralegan Siddhi.
Okay. So whenever you give an interview, don't share anything which is, putting something very small, something like that you belong from a gaon, you belong from a, we are not interested with that. We are
Okay,
interested only on the qualities you have. So basically, whatever you are doing, you are selling yourself, okay, in front of that corporate industry, like advertise, हम लोग advertising देखते हैं, correct? So in
hmm,
advertisement, generally you see the quality of that product. Like
yes.
close up हम लोग use करते हैं, so like it will, वो teeth को चमका के देगा, ये करेगा. So we are not bothered about the pricing and all. In India, whatever the ad we are looking for, they are only concentrate on the quality. Okay.
Okay.
So don't share anything like a small village we belong from. We have done the engineering. That's it. That's sufficient. And we belong from this city. That's it. Whether city is small, city is big, that doesn't make sense. Oh, NSS community, what that mean? NSS community?
A national service scheme. That is a committee where we have to go in proper villages, and we have to like serve society in good some for some good work.
So
Social.
do you have done something which you can explain to this community?
I have attempted 7 days of camp, NSS
Mm-hmm.
camp, in which we lived in that village. We work there. Like we went to their schools and we teach the students. Then we clean the village like that.
So you have done the village cleaning as well.
Yes, social
Great.
kind of thing.
Social activities.
Yes.
Great. And what level of work you have done in art and cultural committee in your
Okay.
college?
I was the head of that art and craft exhibition. So the first role of mine is to arrange people and give them proper role, give them some responsibility, and to track the whole.
Okay, as per your understanding, as per my understanding, what till now, whatever you have done, you have done something senior roles. Like in NSS community as well, you have managed the task in art and culture activity. Also, you have managed the task. So you are good in managing people. Okay, you are good in communication. You are good to manage people. So this is your strength actually. So earlier you have shared me like you are good in team management, like, so that is 100% true in your case. So what are your weakness? What you have suggested? What are your weakness?
Okay, sometimes I overthink, and that is the weakness of mine.
What level of overthinking you have? In what
Uh,
objective? Like whether we can get a job or not, or do is it the same thing or some other level
yes,
of
yes, about career and all that future thing.
okay. So you know thinking is good, overthinking is not good
Yes.
in all aspects of life. Okay,
Yes.
so as per my understanding, you are good in communication. You will definitely get a chance if you got a chance to take some interview in or sit in front of some proctor. You will definitely got selected as per the current communication skill you have. Okay, so don't be
Thank
overthink
you.
about it. Okay,
Hmm.
any question you have to ask, or should I move
Okay,
forward to
sir.
some?
Like I'm fresher right now.
Huh.
So in proper industry, what are the initial expectations of recruiters from the freshers? Like what kind of expectations?
Okay, so as a fresher, suppose I am a recruiter and I am recruiting you. So basic thing I would like to check is your communication. Communication should be, communication doesn't make sense. You are good in English or you are good in Hindi, like they are just a medium. Okay, your communication is how much
Yes.
thoughts you have. Like in, our Prime Minister Modi, he is very good communicator. Okay, why means आप लोगों को बांध के रखो. Okay, whatever you are saying, the public should uh, take interest in you. Like whatever you are saying in a correct direction. So communication is one part, that thing you already have. Apart from this, basic technical skills you should know. Like in it they are mentioned MS Excel, Hadoop. So basic thing you should know in technical aspects. Okay, the third point,
Okay.
your whatever the big task you have done in your college. Like you have mentioned, you are a part of art and cultural committee. You have done NSS, you are a part of NSS community, like that. So these are the basic points that a recruiter will look into that.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Extra activities as a member of IEEE. So uh, it's just a membership, or you were a part of some projects in IEEE?
It's just a membership. We have arranged different event in our college through that branch.
On behalf of IEEE?
Yes.
Okay, what level of event you have arranged?
College level events like paper presentation and project presentation.
Do you have presented any paper in any topic?
Uh, no, sir.
So you have just organized it, or
Yes.
you have organized it? Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, Dhanashri, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Let's move to the next candidate, Aishwarya, I guess.
Yes, yes, Aishwarya Sutar.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, Aishwarya. How are you?
Sir.
Aishwarya, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Aishwarya. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good morning.
Okay, Aishwarya. As like I mentioned, you should introduce yourself in terms of strength, weakness. What are your strength? What are your weakness? What are the qualities you have? Or what degree you have achieved, like that you can introduce.
Okay. So, hello, sir. Good morning. My name is Aishwarya Ajit Sutar. Basically, I'm from Satara. And currently, I'm pursuing my BTech in Information Technology from Padma Bhushan Vasantrao Dada Patil Institute of Technology, Sangli. As now I'm fresher, so I don't have any real-time work experience or any industrial knowledge, but I have quite a basic knowledge of the various programming languages and web technologies. My strengths are like whenever I decide to do some work, I never give up until and unless I complete that work. So I'm quite goal oriented. In same case, I can say that my weakness is that until and unless I don't complete that work, I always think about that work. So I can say it is my weakness, and I'm also trying to means reduce it. So thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. So, two things I have mentioned in your introduction. As you have mentioned, you have said you don't have much experience. Don't have. So don't use these kind of word which is mentioned that you don't know anything. Okay, you have mentioned you don't have. Okay, so don't say like that. Whenever you have said you have a knowledge of these things, don't say you have a basic knowledge of these things. Okay, no one want the person who should have only basic knowledge. Everyone want the person who should have expert in that field.
Yet
So
it is just learning phase, so I cannot say I have so much knowledge.
no,
So
don't say like
just
we
like
know
that.
you are a fresher. So we know you are a fresher. You should only know the basic things, but don't as I mentioned to Dhanashri that you are
Yes.
advertising yourself. Okay, आप अपने आप को एडवर्टाइज कर रहे हो. सो आप कभी भी देखोगे कोई भी एड आता है इसमें कितना प्रोटीन है, तो इसमें बेसिक प्रोटीन है. कभी ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे हम लोग. ओके, ऑलवेज से वी आर गुड इन वॉट एवर वी आर डूइंग. ओके.
Okay. Okay.
ओके, सो बेसिक वर्ड कभी मत बोलना. वी डोंट हैव दिस नॉलेज ऐसा मत बोलना. वी हैव अ नॉलेज, वी नो दिस. ओके, जज करना ना करना वो रिक्रूटर के हाथ में है. ओके, क्या पता कि आपको जिस चीज का बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज है, ओके, रिक्रूटर ने आपसे वही क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए. ओके, लेकिन आप अगर उसको पहले ही बोल दोगे वी हैव अ बेसिक नॉलेज, तो उसका एक माइंडसेट बन जाएगा कि नो यार, नॉट गुड यार, ये दो लोग हैं इसमें से शी नो वेरी वेल, शी नो ओनली बेसिक. ओके, तो वो अपने आप को वैसा एक
Okay.
साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर है उसमें. ओके, as you mentioned in your technical skill, software known putty, filezilla. So do you know what putty exactly work, how putty exactly work?
Actually, we can use Putty for the remote connection. So I have used in the Linux. We were connecting to Linux from our Windows operating system, and we can operate it from remotely.
How it's work, how you have taken it?
Actually, we can access our whatever operating Linux system we are using.
How you access it?
Using a port number SSH port.
Okay, only port number is sufficient?
We need IP address.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, IP address of what which device?
The remote system which we want to access, IP address of that system is required.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about the FileZilla?
FileZilla, we can use it for a file transfer purpose, or we can also use it for a backup purpose. But I have used it only for transferring purpose. Like we can transfer our files to the remote desktop or remote system using FileZilla.
Okay.
Yes.
As you have mentioned, projects, diploma, final year projects. What is that final year project?
Actually, we had a project. We done it using cloud, and we were supposed to share files on cloud. And the users who want to access it, they need to give the OTP that will be shared. So it was a secure project, and we were using ngrok as a server and Tomcat server to run the project.
So sharing file over the cloud. This
Yes.
was the project.
Yes.
Okay. So what if someone can hack in between that? Do you have any प्रोविजंस की हम लोग उसको रोक दें बीच में हैक होने से. इफ वी आर शेयरिंग समथिंग ऑन द क्लाउड, सो हैव यू कंसिडर्ड दिस थिंग इन माइंड इफ समवन कैन हैक इन बिटवीन?
No, no, sir.
Okay. Certification completed Python training, 3 months data science. Okay, in your CV you have not mentioned your objective. That is not very much needed, but
Okay.
this looks good in your CV. Like
Okay.
Dhanashree has mentioned, like the name, the mobile number, the email address, the objective, and then the education.
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
That will be really great.
Okay,
You
sir.
are also good in technical skill.
Okay.
You are also good in communication.
Okay.
Do you have any question to ask?
No, sir. Actually, yes. You cleared it before that I use basic word, so I don't have any question now.
Like
Means,
Dhanashree has asked, what are the
Yeah.
expectation of recruiter?
I also wanted to ask the same things. Means, like now we don't have any real-time experience. Means, what does industry expect? So, how should we prepare for interview first time? Means, like,
Okay. So this is your first interview, or you have done
Yeah.
somewhere else also?
this is my first time.
This is your first time. So you are quite good. If we are, considered you as a first time, you are giving interview to someone that is also on the Zoom meeting. So it's outstanding.
Okay,
You,
thank
you are literally outstanding people. So you are pursuing to 2021. So
Yes.
it's not yet completed.
Yeah.
So you are in final year or what?
Yeah. Final year.
Okay, when it's going to be completed?
In next 2 to 3 months.
Next 2 to 3 months. Okay, okay. So one thing I'm observing you, you are little bit nervous.
Yeah,
know,
actually, it's my first time, so I'm little bit nervous.
don't be nervous. Okay, don't be nervous. Whether it's the first time or it's the 10th times. Okay, don't
Okay.
be a nervous. Always ready that whatever question they will ask, I know everything. Okay,
Okay.
so you should have a confident, that level of confidence you have. Confident comes when you have good in your technical skills, when you are good in your communication, when you are very much clarify that I'm here to give the interview to someone else and I know everything. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you should have that confidence. Okay, you should build it. That comes naturally. Like I
Okay,
ask
sir.
you one question, Putti. Okay, so you know that recruiter will ask me only these question, and these question I know very well. Like
Okay.
you have a multiple skills, so if you are good in those technology, the confidence come automatically.
Yes.
Okay, and make some little bit smile on your face.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that will put positive impression in front of other.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
technical wise you are outstanding. Communication wise you are outstanding. Confidence wise you should develop that confidence.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
rest all is good, and I guess you don't have any other question, so we'll move forward to some another guy. Thank you.
Sir. I'll try to improve myself.
Yep.
Whatever you mentioned. Yeah. Thank you,
Yep.
sir.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Now next candidate is Meenal Patil.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Meenal. Wow, what a CV, colorful.
Thank you, sir.
So Meenal, do you have anyone in your family who is working in somewhere in corporate industry?
Yes, sir. My cousin brother, he is working project manager in Atlas Copco.
In which company?
Atlas Copco.
At labs. Okay, great. So he suggested you to make a CV like this.
No, she says me keep it as simple as you are, but I will make it, and I think it is good.
Oh, okay. CV should be simple and CV should be very much clear. Okay, so the first part should be your name, should be your communication, like your email address, your phone number. That should be on the top. But if someone look into your name, they should immediately recall your email address and your phone number. The second should be your the objective. Some people will read it, some people will not. Okay, but
Yeah.
that looks good. That that express the things whatever you have inside, like you are
Mm.
looking for this, you are looking for this, like that. And the third thing always comes, that is your skill point of view, the skill you have. Okay,
Yes.
but if you talk about the fresher point of view, in fresher point of view, the degree you have, whatever the
Yeah.
degrees you have. Okay, and the percentile you got in your degree. These are the qualities which
Yeah,
which
sir.
which which is showcase you that I'm different than others.
Yeah.
Okay, these I'm a 99, I have got a 99%, someone else got a 97%, so definitely I'm different than other.
Yeah.
So like there are hundred of students in front of me, how should I identify that this girl is good and that boy is good? Okay, I have only two vacancies, there are 100 of candidate. So how I should identify that these two are the outstanding candidate? Okay, so CV play a major role. CV should look like that the first level of screening. Okay,
Yeah.
so the girl have knowledge of this, the girl have knowledge of this, she know Python, she know C, she know that, like that. Okay, and something you need to put a unique in your CV,
Yeah.
not out of the track, but in the track, but something unique. Like in C, there should be something unique which you can mention, in front of that C language, in front of that Python language. 100%. How if I talk about the language called Python, okay, so if I if you give numbers out of 10, so how much number you will give to yourself that I know that much amount of language, means out of 10 I got a 6, I can get 7, I can get 5. How much confident you are in in these skills?
I think so. I will give myself to 5 to 7 near about.
In
I should
between
make
5 to
the good.
7, in between 5 to
Yeah.
7, so you are good, you are definitely good in your skill set. People can give 2 or 1 marks out of 10. Okay, so as per my understanding, you are good in technical knowledge as well. Okay, so you should mention that, like Python, in the after Python you should mark a dash, and that what are the things specific thing in Python. Like the previous girl, Aishwarya, has mentioned the technology software. So what level of software Putty, FileZilla, these, like that. Okay, this will make something unique impression, and that will the recruiter will only ask you those questions which you know. Okay, you need to divert your recruiter mind in such a way that they should ask only those questions that the question that only you knows. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
so Aishwarya, sorry, Minal.
Yeah.
Minal, just quickly explain, introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. I am Minal Patil. I am basically belongs from Chinsni in district Sangli. I am pursuing BTech in Padma Bhushan Vasantdada Patil Institute of Technology, Budgaon. Parallelly, I am doing data associate course in T Symbiosis, Kivle, Pune. I like to traveling. I like to suffer on Google. My strength is I am good communicator. I have leadership qualities. I have risk taking ability. I am honest. Yeah, and my weakness is I'm quite emotional. my short-term goal is becoming an expert in data scientist, and my long-term goal is uh, doing master key in data scientist. Thank you.
Okay. I'm still don't know why all girls are, very much. What's your weakness? What you have suggested? What you have said?
Yeah, most of the girls they I have quite emotional.
Why you guys are emotional? Why all girls
I
are
think
emotional
I think
or
girls.
optimistic, like, nervous? Why?
Yeah,
You girls have, you girls have that quality that no boys have.
yeah, I
Okay.
know.
You guys have a better team management skill. You guys are a good communicator. Okay, you can influence people like this. Okay, so don't be nervous, don't be emotional to, in any aspects.
Yeah,
Okay. uh when like you were introducing yourself, it was looking like there is something in front of you, the paper which is there in front of you,
no,
you are just reading it.
yes.
Is it like that?
No, sir. I don't have any paper. I
So
just
okay.
take notes to what you suggest. I will write it for.
Okay, great. Okay, but when you are when you are expressing yourself, I was in that कि यार वो सामने कुछ लिखा हुआ है उसको देख के ऐसे जैसे न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर बोल रहा है. Don't
Yeah,
ऐसे मत बोलो. ठीक है, you have mentioned that you have leadership quality. Leader should be look like this.
yeah,
Yeah, I am a leader. Okay, so like that you need to sit. You need to present yourself. I am the only girl left in this world who can change this world. ये एटीट्यूड लेके आओ अपने अंदर. Okay. और the CV part you need to little bit work on it.
yes, sir.
Your CV look like the extraordinary colorful CV. Okay, I'm literally confused to recollecting all these things because there is a left hand, there is something is mentioned, right hand something is mentioned. Should be like in a vertical manner.
Yeah.
Certification, organization, personal project. You also have done some project,
Yes.
personal project. What is that personal project?
Sir, I'll write it about because I am doing myself. There is one competition name is Hackathon, which are given by PM Modi. I will work on it myself. That's why I'm writing. It's my own personal project.
Is it in your home or you have showcased something? You have showcased this thing to someone else in some exhibition or what? Is it in your home only?
No, it is not for home. So it is.
Little bit speak loudly.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm doing that project. You are watching that. It's farmers farm to farm. That project. I'm doing that project on myself because there isn't one competition I will attend. Uh, I will analyze all those things and where I will live and make problem statement, and after that I will go that competition and I will make that all projects. So that's why I will write it on my personal project that I'm doing with my own team. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. So what level of technical knowledge you have, in which domain you are looking yourself as a expertise?
I'm just doing data associate course. I want to become an expert on that.
Data, I'm still not recollecting what you are saying. Data
Associates.
associates.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
Data
I
associate
want
course. Okay.
I want to work on what there is lots of data in everywhere is available. I want to collect all that message data and correct format. I need to be, I want to be understand what actually collect that data, message data from actual what you want that data. I should need to be all those things. I just want,
I'm still
yeah.
confused what you are saying.
So I
My
am,
question, look, look, clearly understand my question first. The today's mock is based on three pillars. First pillar is your confidence, second is your communication, third is your clarity. So I'm talking about the third pillar, that is our clarity. So my
yeah.
question, did my question clear to you?
No, sir.
I asked you, in which technical domain you are looking yourself as a expert. Like some guys are expert in Python, some guys are expert in C, some guys are expert in Java, some are expert in XXXX. So how you are looking yourself in some X technologies, I'm asking you that specific question.
Sir, actually, I am. I me. Are you compatible with Marathi or Hindi, sir?
I'm comfortable with Hindi, I'm comfortable with English.
Yeah. Okay, sir. I want to check what
You
is
can speak in
different.
you can speak in Hindi as well, so that I can understand your weakness as well. You can understand in Hindi, no problem. So I will explain you how you can improve it.
ओके सर, मुझे अभी टेक्निकल ज़्यादा देखना है कि किस में क्या क्या है. सो आई विल गिव माई सेल्फ एटलीस्ट 2 or 3 months. What is the domain, which domain is perfect for me, so I am just
अरे नो नो
taking knowledge
स्टिल
from that.
स्टिल मेरा क्वेश्चन आपको अभी भी क्लियर नहीं हुआ है.
या यू से दैट कि
आपने
एक्सपर्ट आपको किस में एक्सपर्ट ज़्यादा मुझे करना है, आप
नहीं नहीं
किस
नहीं नहीं,
में
किस में करना है नहीं, आप किस में
देख
एक्सपर्ट हो.
हो. या आई एम जस्ट नाउ आई एम एक्सपर्ट इन पाइथन and I'm working first or second step of project development life cycle, that communication, how to make starting with that only, and doing technical also. I'll just check the what is different domains in technical, that like Android or all those things, Android web designing for a data scientist, Python, AC. I will check all the fields where I want to go.
Okay, so Minal. So Minal, from the recruiter point of view, okay, there are so many things which are missing in you.
Yeah.
Okay, first thing, आपको जो रिक्रूटर पूछ रहा है, ठीक है, मैं ये अच्छा हुआ आप एकदम से आए तो नया क्वेश्चन निकल के आया. रिक्रूटर क्या पूछ रहा है, वी शुड बी वेरी मच क्लियर अबाउट दैट. क्योंकि क्या होगा अगर रिक्रूटर ने कुछ एक्स चीज पूछी, ठीक है, आपने समझा वाई, आंसर आपने दिया जेड, तो उसमें क्या हो गया, वो इंटरव्यू तो गया हाथ से. जहां पे जॉब का इतना देखो, फ्रेशर्स के लिए मैं बात करूंगा तो देर आर मिलियंस ऑफ फ्रेशर्स. ओके, और कई 100 में कई 1000 में जॉब्स निकलती हैं, ठीक है. सो फ्रेशर कोई प्रोडक्टिव काम करके नहीं देता है कंपनी को. ओके, देर आर सम गवर्नमेंट लॉज एंड ऑल कि इतने फ्रेशर लेने हैं, इतने लोगों को आगे करना है, तो कंपनीज को लेना ही पड़ता है. ये तो सेम पैकेज पे प्रोफेशनल लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं. जो फ्रेशर को पैकेज देगी कंपनी, सेम पैकेज पे कोई एक एक्सपर्टीज भी कंपनी हायर कर लेगी. तो व्हाई शुड कंपनी हायर ओनली टू फ्रेशर्स? बिकॉज देर आर सम लॉज, देर आर समथिंग कि हमको फ्रेशर को भी हायर करना ही करना है. अब बताओ, मिलियंस ऑफ फ्रेशर्स आपके सामने है, तो मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि नहीं, मुझे मीनल को ही लेना है अपने इस पोजीशन के लिए. तो मैं मीनल को क्यों लूंगा? तो मीनल को इसलिए लूंगा क्योंकि मीनल के पास एक अच्छी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है, मीनल के पास एक अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजिकल स्किल है, मीनल वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट है कि वो क्या बोल रही है, ठीक है. मीनल एक गुड लिसनर है, कि जो रिक्रूटर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा तो मीनल ने उसको इमीडिएटली अंडरस्टैंड किया, उसको समझा। जैसे हम फोन में बात करते हैं, कोई बात अगर हमको समझ में नहीं आती है, रुक रुक के आती है, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, अब फिर से बोलो जरा, फिर से बोलो, नहीं समझ में आया, करेक्ट? एम आई राइट मीनल?
Yes, yes, yes.
So the same way you should ask multiple time to that recruiter कि मैं नहीं समझी, मुझे फिर से बताओ।
Yes, yes.
देखो, गलत आंसर देने से अच्छा तो आंसर एक बार समझ लो, 2-3 बार में भी अगर वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है तो समझ लो पहले।
Yes, yes, yes.
क्लियर है?
Yeah, sir.
तो वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट। अगर नहीं समझ में आया, वी शुड आस्क द रिक्रूटर दैट सॉरी, कम अगेन। So this word you can, ask to a recruiter, sorry, come again, I didn't understand your question, please, ask again. So वो फिर से पूछेगा, ठीक है? तो जो आपने वर्ड कलेक्ट करने में टाइम लगाया, ठीक है, तो वो वर्ड आप फिर से उसको सुनो, शायद वो पकड़ में आ जाए कि उसने क्या पूछा, ठीक है? तो वो एक बार पकड़ में आ गए। जैसे मैंने आपसे 3 बार पूछा कि टेक्निकल स्किल में आप अपने आप को कितना अच्छा समझते हो,
Yeah.
ओके, बट आपने 2 बार, शायद 3 बार आपने यही समझा कि मैं आगे क्या करने वाली हूँ, करेक्ट?
Yeah.
आगे कहाँ पे करियर टेक्निकल स्किल में जाने वाले। सो वी डोंट बॉदर अबाउट कि आप आगे क्या करने वाले हो। मैं आपको रिक्रूट करूंगा बेस्ड ऑन योर करंट स्किल, कि आप अभी करंट में क्या, किस चीज में एक्सपर्ट हो। तो ऐसे थोड़ा सा एडप्शन भी कर लिया करो, ठीक है? कभी कभी क्या होता है, रिक्रूटर बहुत हाईफाई इंग्लिश में बात करता है, ठीक है, तो हम एकदम से रिकॉल नहीं कर पाते हैं कि उसने क्या पूछा। तो कभी कभी ना थोड़ी चीजें एज्यूम करो, सीवी उसके सामने है, तो वो हमेशा टेक्निकल स्किल के बारे में ही पूछेगा। आगे क्या करने वाले हैं उससे रिक्रूटर को भी कुछ लेना देना नहीं है,
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? वो तो आपकी जो स्किल, आप आगे क्या डेवलप करोगे, आप कहाँ आपको अपने आप को समझते हो, लेके जाओगे, तो वो अभी फिलहाल करंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वो बेसलेस है। द सेकंड पॉइंट यू हैव सेड टू मी, लाइक long term goal, short term goal.
Yeah, sir.
Again, we don't bother about your long term goal, your short term goal.
Okay, sir.
We have a X position,
Yeah.
we are hiring you for that position because my senior has told me to hire some 20 freshers for that position. Okay, आपके लॉन्ग टर्म गोल, आपके शॉर्ट टर्म गोल तो बाद में आते हैं। आप अभी वही गोल्स पे काम करोगे जो कंपनी आपसे कराएगी। You
Yeah.
got my point?
Yes, sir.
आपको अगर एक पाइथन डेवलपर की तरह लिया है, आपको बोला जाएगा कि आपने दिन में इतना लैंग्वेज पे काम करना है, सो आप वही करोगे। आप अपना कंपनी को, बॉस को जाके नहीं बोलोगे सर मेरा तो लॉन्ग टर्म गोल ये था, आप तो मेरे को ये काम करा रहे हो। तो ये नहीं हम लोग उधर बोल सकते हैं। क्लियर है? सो मीनल, आपको एक कम्युनिकेशन पे बहुत काम करना है,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
एटलीस्ट अगर आप look, we are Indians,
Yes, sir.
we are very poor in English communication.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm
So
not good
so
in English.
you are not good in English, don't tell
Yeah.
this thing to anyone. Okay,
Yes, sir.
सीख जाते हैं हम लोग। when you go, आप कहाँ से हो? सांगली से हो ना?
Yes, sir. I'm
तो
belongs to
सराउंडेड
Sangli.
बाय पीपल, वो आसपास का असर का फर्क पड़ता है।
Yeah, environment.
आप
sir.
पुणे में आओ, आप मुंबई में जाओ, आप जब एक कॉर्पोरेट इंडस्ट्री में काम करोगे ना, सो ये सब चीजें ना आपको लगेगा कि कभी किस जमाने में मेरे को इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती थी, ठीक है? तो ये जो चीज है, ये आप एटलीस्ट इतनी सीखो कि सामने वाला क्या बोल रहा है मुझे समझ में आए, बस उतना भी सीख लिया ना तो काम चल गया। यू गाइज आर टेक्निकल गाइज। आप बीए बीकॉम नहीं हो कि आप कॉल सेंटर में जाके आपको एकदम फड़फड़ इंग्लिश में बात करना है। आपको टेक्निकल स्किल पे काम करना है, ओके? उसमें आप एक्सपर्ट हो। क्लियर है? सो आपको कम्युनिकेशन पे बहुत काम करना है। आपको एक अच्छी न्यूज़पेपर वगैरह पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो। एक इंग्लिश चैनल, आप कोई भी एक इंग्लिश चैनल पकड़ो, उसको सुनना स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है? समझो कि वो पूरा जो सेंटेंस उसने बोला है मेरे को समझ में आया कि नहीं आया, ठीक है? तो एक अच्छा आप ये टीवी में एक न्यूज़ चैनल देखो, इंग्लिश न्यूज़ चैनल, या कोई एक पिक्चर देखो इंग्लिश में, ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि क्या हो क्या रहा है पूरा, ठीक है। क्लियरिटी वाइज भी कम्युनिकेशन, अगर दीज आर प्रोपोर्शनल टू ईच अदर,
Yeah.
क्लियरिटी रहेगी तो कम्युनिकेशन थोड़ा बहुत सुधरेगा। ओके, एज यू सेड कि सर मैं मराठी में तो बहुत अच्छा बोल दूंगी आपको, आप सामने तो आओ, मैं पूरा आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी लाइक दैट, बट तो क्लियरिटी नहीं है, तो ये दोनों आपस में प्रोपोर्शनल हैं एक दूसरे के। और कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल जो है ना आप में, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा नहीं है। यू आर गुड, यू आर नॉट बेस्ट। ओके, सो ये जो पॉइंट्स मैंने आपको बताया ना, ये आपको डिमोटिवेट करने वाला नहीं है। दिमाग से ये
नहीं.
चीज निकाल देना, दिस इज नॉट
Yes, sir.
कि कोई मुझे डिमोटिव। ये जो पॉइंट है ना, देखो हम लोग अपना जो एनालिसिस करते हैं, आपने शॉर्ट एनालिसिस पढ़ा है, स्ट्रेंथ, वीकनेस, अपॉर्चुनिटी,
Yeah.
थ्रेट, ठीक है।
Yeah.
तो उसका ना जो एनालिसिस होता है ना, वो खुद का एनालिसिस होता है, ठीक है। मुझे अभी क्या इंप्रूव करना है, मेरे में अभी इतनी क्वालिटीज हैं, ये क्वालिटीज मेरे में नहीं है, मुझे ये इंप्रूव करनी है, ये इसको बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, ठीक है। तो ये जब पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड लेके चलोगे ना, तो कोई भी आपके आगे नहीं टिकने वाला। क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको ये सब, और ये सीवी मुझे लगता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा
Change.
वर्क करना चाहिए,
Yeah, sir.
ठीक है। शुड बी सिंपल। आपका
Yeah, same.
कलर जो आपने डाले हैं, पुणे, इंडिया, सांगली, ये कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता है, ठीक है। अब एक स्पेसिफिक सीवी बनाओ, अपना नाम जो ऊपर होना चाहिए, आपका कम्युनिकेशन एड्रेस, ईमेल और आपका फोन नंबर। आपने अगर कोई सर्टिफिकेशन किया है जो बड़े लेवल का है, उसका
Yeah.
लोगो, वो भी आप सीवी पे ऊपर लगा सकते हो, वो एक हाईलाइट करेगा। ऑब्जेक्टिव लिखो अपना, अपना बी का रिजल्ट जो आपने लिखा है वो पूरा लिखो
Yeah.
उस पे, ठीक है। एसएससी से आई डोंट नो कि कितना फर्क पड़ता है। हाँ, एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया है वो भी, जॉब किसी किसी कंपनी में क्राइटेरिया रहता है 60, अबव 60 का, वो भी एक प्रॉपर तरीके से लिखो। और आपका जो स्किल है, वो भी मेरे को भी कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा है, टेक्निकल स्किल आपने कहाँ प्रॉपर लिखा है। हाँ, स्किल ये आपने सबसे टॉप पे लिखा हुआ है। तो ये नीचे
Yes,
वन
sir.
बाय वन, वन बाय वन, वन बाय वन, देखो हम लोग को ना एक सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग चलना है। आप देखोगे ना, जितने भी सीवी अगर मैं आपके सामने खोलूंगा ना, सब ऑलमोस्ट सेम एक ठक 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 ठक
Format.
ठक
Yeah.
ठक पॉइंट वाइज में है। तो हमको भी वैसे ही पॉइंट वाइज ठक 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 लिखना है, दैट्स इट।
Okay, sir.
सो मीनल, एनी क्वेश्चन यू वांट टू आस्क? कुछ
Yes,
भी, आप
sir.
कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो, कुछ भी।
Yes, sir. तुम्ही सांग, what you said that ki I want to work on that. I know I want to prepare myself as a best, so I will work on that, all those things, sir.
करेक्ट। देखो मिनल, हमको जॉब लेना ही लेना है, देयर
Yes,
इज
sir.
नो अदर चॉइस।
Yeah,
ओके,
sir.
जब वो एटीट्यूड रखोगे ना कि मुझे ये लेना ही
Job
लेना है,
चाहिए. Yeah.
तो उसके लिए अभी जो मेहनत करनी है अभी करनी है। देखो अभी
Yes,
हम
sir.
लोग सोचते थे कि 10th कर लिया खत्म, फिर आराम से
फिर
रहेंगे, 12th कर
या
लिया
फिर
खत्म। वो आराम से रहने वाला टाइम कभी नहीं आएगा,
कभी नहीं आएगा वो
ठीक है।
वो पता है, sir.
अनलेस एंड अनटिल अगर आप किसी अंबानी उम्बानी के उसमें हो, तो आप वो आकाश अंबानी की तरह बैठे हो घर में, तो अलग बात है। बाकी वो टाइम कभी नहीं आएगा, आपको हमेशा अपने आप को ग्रो करते रहना पड़ेगा, ये है फंडा।
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच मीनल, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके।
Thank you so much, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello,
या हेलो।
Mayur Patil, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you one question.
या प्लीज।
Sir, how should I tackle that question if a recruiter asks me that why you are switching your career from mechanical to computer? Means
ओके,
I'm-
यू आर प्रीतम और व्हाट्स योर
Mayur
नेम?
Patil. Mayur Patil. Mayur Patil.
मयूर पाटिल। ओके मयूर, लेट मी ओपन योर सीवी फर्स्ट।
His CV is not there. He is one of the participants and asking questions.
Okay, okay. So you have switched your branch from mechanical to
Mechanical to computers.
mechanical to computers. Okay. So if they ask you why you have switched your branch, so just tell them that, you know, I was expecting some good career in computer science, so that's the reason I switched my career from mechanical to computer science. That's it. देखो, मुझे कुछ अच्छा दिखा तभी तो मैं मूव किया ना. I was, you know, मैं मैकेनिकल में था, so I was not expecting कि यार यहाँ पे मेरा कुछ हो सकता है. There are multiple guys, there are many people जो अपना करियर from one branch to another branch में शिफ्ट करते हैं. Okay.
So they will ask
Did
me.
anyone ask you? Did
will
anyone
I-
ask you this question, or is it the first time you are taking the interview? Have you part of any other interview before?
So, sir, I had gone to Cognizant interview. They had asked me, why are you switching your career? Means, so why you did your mechanical engineering instead of doing computer science?
Okay, so what you have said?
Sir, means I was scared, sir. So I what?
Arey, it's simple. Arey, there was something in your mind. That's the reason you have switched your career. What was that something in your mind at that time when you switched your career from mechanical to CS?
Sir, that time I was in last year, and I got opportunity for giving interview at Cognizant. So I go for there. I didn't decide that, so I have to switch my career from mechanical to computer. So that's why that time I scared, and I didn't able to answer that question.
No,
So I think
Mayur, my question is not clear to you. What was the actual reason? What was the actual reason from the shifting branch from mechanical to CS? What was your actual reason?
sir, I want to do the career in computer science. When I see the syllabus and see the technical terms and softwares, and when I am working on these kind of things, then I realize that I'm good in computer science instead of mechanical engineering.
Correct. So again, this was the actual answer, realistic answer, which you
Yes.
need to, you know, explain in front of that recruiter that I took the branch mechanical, okay, as per the syllabus and all these things, you know, I decided that I'm not good in this. I'm good in that. I'm good in computer science. So I took that branch, computer science. That's it. Basically you liked, you know, you earlier you were not that much you know, aware that what was there in the mechanical, what was there in the computer science, but जब आप उसमें कुएं में कूद गए तब आपको पता चला नहीं यार ये अच्छा नहीं था, मुझे मेरा इंटरेस्ट इसमें था ही नहीं, मेरा इंटरेस्ट इसमें है, तो मैं ये चीज फॉलो किया. और अगर जेन्युइन रिक्रूटर होगा, ठीक है, तो वो आपके इस आंसर से कन्वे हो जाएगा, क्योंकि उसको इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, उसको सिर्फ लेना देना है आपके एकेडमिक परसेंटेज से और आपके करंट टेक्निकल नॉलेज से. जैसे आप कॉग्निजेंट में गए एंड दैट कॉग्निजेंट गाय इज लुकिंग फॉर अ गाय हु शुड एक्सपर्ट इन जावा, ओके, एंड यू आर अ गाय हु इज एक्सपर्ट इन जावा, फिर आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता है. फिर ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये जस्ट अ टाइम पास क्वेश्चन कि आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसा है, आप क्या आंसर दे रहे हो, आप नर्वस हो रहे हो नहीं हो रहे हो, तो ये सब कंसर्न होता है. ओके, लीक से हटके जो भी पूछना है वो आपका सिर्फ कम्युनिकेशन जजमेंट है. आपका कम्युनिकेशन चेक कर रहे हैं, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस चेक कर रहे हैं, आपकी क्लैरिटी चेक कर रहे हैं.
Any feedback
Is
from
my
my
answer good to you?
Yes, sir, yes, I got your answer.
आपका जो प्रॉब्लम था, आपका जो क्वेश्चन था, आपको उसका आंसर मिला प्रॉपर कि नहीं मुझे ऐसा नहीं,
Yes,
ऐसे
yes, yes.
देना चाहिए था. इट्स ऑल अरे मैं अभी
Yes,
भी बोलता हूँ, ओके, तो सामने रिक्रूटर भी वही इंसान है जैसे आप हो, 2 हाथ 2 पैर 2 नाक, एक नाक एक मुंह, उसका भी वैसा ही है. ओके, वो भी इंडियन है, आप भी इंडियन हो. ओके, सो देयर इज समथिंग कि वो आपसे पहले वहां पहुंच गया, क्योंकि पहले पैदा हुआ तो पहले जॉब लगा और पहले पहुंच गया. ओके, आपका कसूर नहीं है ना, आप बाद में पैदा हुए दुनिया में। क्लियर है मेरा पॉइंट? आप भी वहां तक जाओगे, आप भी उसी लाइन पे जाओगे। ओके, तो कॉन्फिडेंट रखो अपने अंदर कि सामने वाला देखो 10 साल से काम कर रहा है, 11 साल से काम कर रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली उसका नॉलेज आपसे अच्छा है। ओके, लेकिन एज अ फ्रेशर आप अपने आप को कितना एनालाइज कर सकते हो कि यार मैं एज अ फ्रेशर हूं फिर भी मुझे इतना पता है। ओके, वो कॉन्फिडेंट आपके अंदर होना चाहिए, डेट्स इट। उतना भी आ क्या, आप कोई भी इंटरव्यू क्रैक कर जाओगे। तो कॉग्निजेंट में हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
HR आउट हुआ था,
अच्छा, एचआर राउंड हो गया है।
HR क्वेश्चन से।
अच्छा,
HR आउट हुआ था सर, मतलब नहीं हुआ था,
अच्छा एचआर आउट क्यों हुए थे?
तो इसी क्वेश्चन से आई थिंक।
नहीं, इस क्वेश्चन से तो एचआर कभी आउट नहीं करेगा आपको। एक बार टेक्निकल निकल गया आपका, ओके, एक बार आपने
टेक्निकल निकल गया था सर।
टेक्निकल क्लियर कर लिया, एचआर कोई नहीं होता आपको रोकने वाला। हाँ, एचआर सिर्फ आपको, देखो टेक्निक, हम लोग भी जब इंटरव्यू लेते हैं तो टेक्निकल अगर हमने यस बोल दिया कि मुझे ये चाहिए, ओके, सो इन दैट केस एचआर पिक्चर में है ही नहीं। एचआर आपसे बोलेगा ही नहीं कि आपको नहीं ले सकते। हाँ, आपसे कम्युनिकेशन आपसे पूछेगा कि आपका सैलरी क्या लेंगे, आपको लोकेशन क्या चाहिए, आपका लोकेशन, हम आपको चेन्नई में जॉब देंगे, आप रेडी हो क्या? ठीक है, तो ये एक जेनरिक क्वेश्चन एचआर के बनते हैं। ओके, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि ये क्वेश्चन के कारण एचआर को रिजेक्ट करना चाहिए। ये मेरा पर्सनल व्यू है।
So any feedback for me for communication, and am I good or I should improve?
देखो, अभी तक मैंने 3 इंटरव्यू लिए हैं, तो तीनों में आपने देखो तीनों अलग अलग थे। मीनल में मैंने जो चीजें ऑब्जर्व करी, आपने देखा होगा कि मीनल का कम्युनिकेशन कैसा था, तो मैंने उसको उस हिसाब से आइडेंटिफाई किया। देखो, सबसे कम टाइम मुझे सबसे पहले इंटरव्यू में लगा धनश्री के। ठीक है, वो इंटरव्यू में टाइम कम इसलिए लगा क्योंकि जो भी आंसर मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था वो मेरे को क्विकली आ रहे थे। जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन की बॉम्बार्डिंग कर रहा था, क्विकली मुझे आंसर मिल रहा था उसका। ओके, तो आई सेड कि यार इस लड़की में और ज्यादा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करके फायदा नहीं है, और रिक्रूटर और लोगों को लो ताकि ये तो अपने सिलेक्ट है। ओके, क्योंकि उसका कम्युनिकेशन पॉइंट काफी अच्छा था, और बाकी और जितनी भी टेक्निकल नॉलेज भी देखें तो काफी स्ट्रांग थी। तो मैं आप लोगों से यही चीज बोलूंगा कि यू शुड बी गुड इन वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग इट। लाइक यू आर अ फ्रेशर, technical skill is your primary requirement, and you should be very much expertise in that particular skill. आप एक कोई भी स्किल पकड़ो, आप एक पकड़ो, मैं जावा में मैं मास्टर हूँ, और बाकी की जो स्किल्स हैं वो भी मेरे को आती हैं, बट ये मैं मास्टर हूँ इसमें। आप मेरे से इससे कुछ भी पूछ लो, मैं बता दूंगा। तो जब आपको अंदर ये चीज रहेगी ना, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट आप में कॉन्फिडेंट आ ही जाएगा। ओके, और रही बात बाकी कम्युनिकेशन की, तो अगेन बेसिक इंग्लिश आना ही चाहिए। ठीक है, ताकि अपन को क्वेश्चन को समझने में टाइम ना लगे। व्हाट रिक्रूटर इज आस्किंग, वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड क्विकली दैट ही इज आस्किंग दिस, आई नीड टू गिव आंसर टू देम लाइक दैट ओनली। क्लियर? थैंक यू मयूर। So next is I guess Preetham.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Actually, it is good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Preetham.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
How's all in family?
All good, sir.
You are in home or you are in Pune? Where are you right now?
I am in Pune, sir, right now.
Okay, staying with family or staying alone?
No, staying alone actually with my colleagues.
With your colleagues. You are from Mumbai?
Yes, I am from Mumbai.
Okay. So Preetham, introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. My name is Preetham. I'm 24 years old and I live in Mumbai. I have recently completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication from Mumbai University. Now I am pursuing a data associate course from Symbiosis Skills and Professional University. I have, while pursuing my engineering, I have done my work experience of 3 months in Campus consultancy under Bharti Airtel Internet Lease Lines. I was a relationship manager in Internet Lease Line services. I have also taken a week training in Indian Western Railway. I have attended a few training sessions like in ethical hacking and computer hardware assistant and CCN. And apart from this, I like traveling and exploring new places. I also like outdoor sports like cricket, football. I live with my family, which includes my parents and my two siblings. My strength are management skills and to managing team, as I was a part of many teams in my academics and cultural committees, and I was a student council head also. Uh, and my weaknesses are uh, that I think on improving my work more and more, so I could complete it perfectly. So in that it consists certain time more. So I'm working on it to manage on my managing the time to improve the work which is assigned to me. So I am done with it, sir.
Okay. So the weakness are you are poor to manage the time.
Actually, I try to over improve myself in the work. So in that case, it takes some time more.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you are something you are saying something you have a productivity issue means there is a X amount of time you have, but you want X plus one amount of time to complete the task. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That
To
is your
improve.
efficiency.
Yes, 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 sir.
Efficiency.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You know, a good manager, the quality of a good manager, the team, as you have mentioned that you are good in team management. Okay. So, you know, the basic thing in manager is they are good in time management.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, give me one basic answer. Why you choose electronic and communication?
Sir, actually, at that time, I had certain interest in electronics and in the telecom field. So I had work experience also in telecom field in Bharti Airtel. But
Okay.
now I am for much better development. I am switching to data science.
So you are switching to data science, or you are already switched to data science?
Yes, I have already switched to data science, sir.
Okay, so what about your previous 4 years? You have done a lot of thing in your BE. Okay, now you are immediately switched to data science. Okay, so what about those 4 years?
Sir,
They were
actually,
waste.
no, sir. In actually my curriculum, I had subjects on data science also, like big data and my database management. So there were subjects which so vocational subject, so which I had chosen that subject. So I had the point of interest in IT field. So I have a basics in that.
Okay, okay.
So in my curriculum, there were subjects of data science actually.
In your academic, in your engineering time, B time.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But that was only 5 to 10%, correct? The
Uh,
rest of the 90% syllabus related to your electronics,
yes, sir. It was electronics and telecommunication related.
correct? So it's really strange that the 10% part attracts you more instead of that 90% parts.
Sir, the opportunities and the opportunity in this path of career, I feel that this is the much developing skill, much developing
Who
firm
told
to
you?
come.
Who
Sir.
told you? You are a fresher, man. You
Yes,
are a
sir.
fresher. Who told you that the opportunity is for software only, not for electronics?
Sir, there are opportunities for electronics also, but in that you need to have a 5 to 6 years experience, a long-term experience, and
Again,
good.
who told you that?
Sir, from my teachers and the college, that there are less, there are not that much opportunities in India about telecom industry, telecom and electronics industry, sir.
There are hundreds, millions of opportunity related to telecom in India, in Asia Pacific region. If you talk about the Middle East region, okay,
Yes.
there were more telecom jobs than your software jobs.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I don't think so. Your decision is correct.
Sir, actually, I had a point of interest in data science, so I have done my projects also in my college going projects also, the mini projects and project in machine learning and in database only, sir. So I had a point of interest from first only in this field, sir. From my second year, I had targeted this firm.
Perfect. Okay, so as you are saying that you are good in technical skill in related to data science, so tell me about what is it, Apache Hadoop? If you could explain me in a single line.
It is
In
a
look, I'm a layman guy, I don't know anything about Hadoop, so how you explain me Apache Hadoop?
sir, it is a distributed processing for huge data sets. So it processes the large amount of data into commodity servers
Again, look,
and work.
I'm stopping you. Sorry, I'm stopping you.
Okay, okay, sir.
My question clear to you? I am a layman guy. I'm not a technical guy.
Okay, okay, sir. So actually, it is a machine. Multiple. It works on multiple machine on large amount of data sets, and it's stores the program in SDFS.
What is program?
Uh, the program of the work assigned the data sets, sir.
Okay. Okay. Dekho, sometime you will face the situation that you need
Okay,
to
sir.
explain the things in front of the guy
Okay, sir.
who don't know anything about software, who don't know anything, like your managers. Okay. If you get a job, you will be in some under some manager who is good in sales, who in good in finance and all, but they are not good in technical. Okay. So suppose you stuck in some situation. Okay, you have to ask your manager that, sir, I'm stuck in some situation, please help me to situation se bahar nikalo mere ko. Okay, so manager will ask you what criticality you have. You need to explain to your manager that, sir, this is the thing, these are some things. Okay, and this is how it should work, but this is how it is working. Okay, so you need to help me accordingly. तो मैनेजर को वो समझाना है ना आपको.
Yes, sir.
अगर आप प्रेजेंटेशन देते हो किसी जगह पर, ओके, जहाँ पे देयर आर मल्टीपल गाइज हु लीस्ट बॉदर अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजी, उनको कैसे समझाओगे? ओके, टेक्निकल पर्सन अगर आपके सामने बैठा है, ओके, you can easily explain everything in front of them. Okay, but what about the layman guys who don't know anything about the technology? So you need to you need to know in that level कि मुझे उसको अगर easy way में समझाना है layman language में, तो like that I can explain them.
Okay, okay, sir. I will try. I will improve upon it, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
वो कब आएगा आपके अंदर? जब if you know that technology, जब आप उसको पी जाओगे अंदर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो यू कैन एक्सप्लेन एनीथिंग टू एनीवन कि ये नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे चलता है सर, ये ऐसे नहीं ऐसे चला लेते हैं, ऐसे काम चलता है.
Okay, sir.
in a basic simple words. Okay, so the next thing, internship and work experience. So what you have done in Bharti Airtel?
Sir, I was a relationship manager for internet lease lines. तो
Internet lease lines, okay.
यस सर, जो इंटरनेट लीज लाइसेंस सर जो आईटी कंपनीज को होती है,
Okay.
फॉर दैट आई वाज अ रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर फॉर द सर्विसेज. So if there are some issues in internet lease line or upgradation or for degradation of links, so I was going to the manage about that to
So do
raise
you
the.
face any tickets, any issues which you have rectified in these 3 months as a relationship manager?
Yes, sir, there were many opportunities like that.
Huh.
So so there were many companies which were they were they had some issues in internet lease lines because of there was not optical fiber. So in copper fiber, the connectivity was the upgradation speed and low gradation speed, download speed and upgrade speed was not that high. So they were so they because of that there were many issues on that on the connectivity medium also. There were many issues like in like the tower systems in because of the RF radio frequency also there was not good connectivity, so there were issues on that. So so this were the some undergoing problems in inter. So if the internet is slow or something, then the IT companies would be just fumble up very much. So they need to be in on high speed. So I need to handle that, sir, of my clients.
Tell me the basic difference between a copper cable and a fiber cable.
So copper cable and fiber cable, it is that the bandwidth, actually the bandwidth of it is uh, almost to 75 Mbps on copper cable, and it is infinite in optical fibers, sir.
Oh, it is infinite.
Yes, sir, probably infinite, sir. Actually yeah, it is infinite only, sir. You can take till 500 Mbps or 200 Mbps any speed. It is really good on optical fiber. The capacity or the feasibility of copper fiber was 75 Mbps only, not much more than that.
Okay. Okay. So if someone asks you this question, so tell him that the copper have some range issue in every 100 meter, that is a maximum capacity of that copper. Okay, in every 100 meter you need either a repeater or some amplitude modification जो कि उसको करे frequency modulation, that anyone can, any router or any hub can perform that task, then it will be great. So maximum 3 to 4 times you can modulate that frequency
Yes,
in
yes, sir.
copper, but in fiber the limit is almost a kilometer in kilometers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the bandwidth is again not depend on fiber. The bandwidth is depend on the product which you are using it on both the end of that fiber.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so fine. You are good in technical, you are good in communication,
Thank you,
you
sir.
are also good in you have a good level of confidence. Basically one good thing in you, whatever question I asked you, whether is a relevant question or irrelevant question, you took all these question in a proper way. Okay, like I asked you, like I'm a layman guy and explain me about this. So some guys will, why should I tell you like that? I'm a technical guy. Why I should tell you? You should know, na. First, why you are a layman guy? It's your fault. It's not my fault. I will explain you whatever I have read in the books. So that attitude, that negative attitude, you don't have.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Thank you, sir.
You are also English, Hindi, Marathi. Okay. Okay. Your academics, CSSC, HSCs are very low.
Yes, actually, my academics were not good in degree also. They were just average.
So in that case, you need to work so hard that you could get a job. Okay, because there are
Yes,
some companies like TCS. I'm not demotivating you. There are some
yes,
companies
yes,
like TCS, Infosys. I don't know why these guys are focusing on 10th result and 12th result. Maybe there is some standard criteria
yes,
and
yes,
all. So you need to, work really hard to, get these jobs. Rest
yes,
from
yes,
B point of view, you are good. From the technical point of view, you are good. You switched from branch from electronics to data science. I don't bother about it. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. मुझे सिर्फ इतना फर्क पड़ता है कि जो स्किल मैं सर्च कर रहा हूँ मार्केट में, you have that skill. That's it.
yes, yes,
Whether you are a BA, whether you are a BCom, or doesn't matter.
yes,
You have that skill. I need you. That's it. And the previous guy have asked me, Mayur, कि switch किया. So
yes,
in your case, you have completed your B.
yes,
Okay. In 2020, you have completed, correct?
yes, sir, recently.
Okay. In B, 5.9 CGPA out of 10.
Yes, sir.
That is also not so good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From the academic point of view, theory point of view, you are not so good. Okay, but from the screening, if someone will look into this, before interview, the CV play a major role from the screening
Yes,
point
sir.
of view. Okay, in that case, you will face some challenges, but if you cross this screening, you can easily crack that interview.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, any question you want to ask?
So how was my overall interview? The overview of yours?
Again, I judge you in 2-3 points. As you said, you are a fresher. Okay, that I understand. Technical, you can explain all these things. You are not 100 so good. You are a good in technical part. You are good in communication part. That is very important. Communication part from the fresher point of views are play a literally a major role. Almost 70% interview depend on your communication.
Okay,
Rest
sir.
10% depend on your skill and all these things. 70% depend on your communication.
Yes, yes, sir.
Clear? So you are
Yes,
good in
sir.
technical, you are good in communication, you have that confidence. Okay, you are very much clear what the recruiter is asking you and what you need to explain to recruiter. You are very much clear about it.
Yes, yes,
So
sir.
overall, it's good. If I give you a marks from 10 to in the scale of 1 to 10, so you are around 7 to 8.
Very much thank you, sir.
Okay, any question related to the work culture, the organization, the recruiter mindset, like that? Anything related to this?
No, sir, I am clarified about it. About from the past interviews and the ongoing. So
So this is
I
your
am satisfied with.
okay. So in past interviews, in which company you
No,
were
no, sir,
appearing to?
not about that. In the mock interviews only. So I am getting clarified about it. So what would be the recruiter's mindset and all?
Okay, okay. In past also you were a part of mock interviews.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Great, then great. So that's the reason you are looking confident,
Yes, sir.
because you have already done lot of things before. So that's the reason you are very much confident in this interview also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So thank you
So
for the opportunity, sir.
yeah, most welcome.
Yes, sir.
So guys, anyone left? I guess I have finished all the guys.
Yes, so Gaurang is there. So we have
Hello.
only 8 minutes. So if we can quickly interact with Gaurang, because Mayur was not in the participant list, but he had a question, so he had asked. So if we can cover up in 5 to 10 minutes, if it is justified, we can
Sure,
go ahead.
sure. We'll cover the Gorang as well.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Gorang.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
At breakfast and all? Yeah, I'm good, Gorang.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Yep. Okay. You are in Pune or you are in Mumbai right now?
Yes, sir. I'm currently in Kivule, where I'm studying data associate in Symbiosis. I'm originally from Mumbai.
Okay. Great.
Yes, sir.
So hope you are safe. Hope you are in safe
Yes, sir.
place. There is no COVID cases nearby,
Yes, sir.
because in Maharashtra the situation is going to hell now.
Yes, sir. True.
Okay, Gaurang.
I'm taking precautions.
Perfect. So Gaurang, introduce yourself.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So this is Gaurang Sonkaude. I'm an engineering graduated this year from EXTC, which is Electronics and Telecom discipline, in this last batch, which is 2020 from Mumbai University. Also, I reside in Mumbai. I have changed about data science, like from past.
Gaurang, your voice is breaking. Is it the issue is from my side or
No,
is
even for us as well. So there is some network issues, I think, from Gaurang's side.
okay?
I think Preetham and Gaurang, you are staying together. So can you
Okay.
quickly check and yeah, because we are already almost done with the time. So Preetham, could you please check quickly and
Yes, sir. He's with me. I am sharing my laptop to him, so you
Okay.
can do the interview.
Yes. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Gaurang.
Yes,
Welcome.
sir. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. So should I start from?
Beginning.
Yeah. Okay. So hello, sir. This is Gaurang Sonkaude. I am an engineering graduate in EXTC discipline in 2020, which is the recent batch. I've graduated from Mumbai University. Also, I reside in Mumbai. I've currently changed my discipline from EXTC to data science, because I was very much interested in data science from my from my third year of engineering. So I was doing the training from YouTube and IBM, which is a free course about data science and Python. So because of that interest, I've also developed some projects in Python, like, but with the help of IoT. So that was my final year project, which was plant healthcare monitoring system. And also I have published. I have not published. I have presented a paper in IEEE, and my family members consist of my mom, dad, and my grandfather. Also, when I was in my second year, I used to do various like jobs and extracurricular activities, such as I was I was working in a startup with one of my seniors, wherein I used to do digital marketing, record management using Excel and Google Analytics, and also I used to sell my products in my campus. Like we had a startup in electronic components. Like we used to import the components and sell it over here, as there's no production of electronic components in India. So we used to give delivery of electronic components to the colleges directly for our projects, which where I was in electronics and telecom. Also, I left that startup after like 2 years. I used to work over there in my second and third year, and in my final year, I used to work in um, a multinational analyst company, which is situated in Mumbai, which is Ugam Solutions. I used to do data quality check over there, which was a part-time job. I used to go over there for weekend. And coming to my technical strengths, I have hands-on experience in Python, SQL, Hadoop, which I learned from YouTube tutorial, but most part I've learned from Symbiosis. And coming about my other strengths, which are I am always ready to learn like new things. As I told earlier that I'm from EXTC background, but I feel I that I have quite interest in data science and data analytics. So I came over here. So I think I have confidence. I am self-motivated also, but I have some weakness as well, that I used to have stage fear, but I try to improve myself by giving various presentations. As I told earlier that I've presented a paper. Also, Kushal sir takes up presentations like every week, one or two. So that really helps us. Yeah.
So
So that's
Gaurav, you have mentioned the organization. Currently, you are working in this organization, or you left
no,
this
no, no.
organization?
That was a 6 months contract in Ugam Solutions, right?
Okay. So after 6 months,
Yeah.
you left that job, or what?
No, I didn't leave the job. It was a contract period. Like in when I was in my final year, I used to have some. I was used to doing work during my engineering, because I also have worked on startup. So by this experience, I got an contract in Ugam Solutions for data quality check, which was a weekend job, but on that was only for 6 months contract period. After that, lockdown happened, and
So,
so
Gaurav, sorry to interrupt you.
yeah.
Uh, so your CV is rich of all these stuffs.
Yes.
Okay. So from the communication point of view, you are good, and as you have mentioned, you already have a experience in some different organizations. Yeah, like you are part of a startup as well, where you have import
Yes, sir.
some electronic goods and sell it to the campus as well. So that indicate that
Yes, sir.
you are good in the sales and marketing point of view. You are good, and from uh, from the technical point of view also you are good. That's the reason you got this job in Ogam Solution and all. So if I'm judging you
Yes, sir.
from the fresher point of view, you are uh, already good in all these stuffs.
Yes.
You are actually we should judge you as a expertise.
No, sir. I am currently in
Okay.
learning. I also learning phase
So
right now.
as per my understanding, if someone will judge you, someone will judge you on the basis of your experienced. Like you have mentioned that 6 month experience you already have in the, whether it's a weekend or it's full time.
Yes, sir. Sir, that
So
was not a fully technical job. That was like we have to check the data quality, and after that analyze it and give some outputs.
okay.
That was just a Saturday Sunday job.
Okay. So, Gaurav, I don't think so. There is any communication issue in you or any confident issue in
Yes.
you,
Thank you, sir.
or uh, you are good in English, you are good in communication, you are good in
Thank you, sir.
clarity point of view. Technical also you are good. That's the reason you have switched from electronic to data science. Uh,
Yes, sir.
uh, fine from my side. Any question you want to ask?
I work in your organization.
Gaurav, I'm unable to hear you.
Okay, I think. Okay, there was some network issue, I think. Yes, Gaurang, you have connected back. Can you repeat your question?
Hello.
Yes, Gaurang, you can repeat your
Hello.
question.
Like work ethics and like the work culture in companies, how to like approach the HR and interview panel.
Look, HR comes, HR play a secondary role in any interview.
After
The
technical.
primary role is depend on
Yes,
the
sir.
technical person who is the front ender who is taking your interview. Okay, if you clear that interview in terms of
Yes.
technical skill, in terms of other all these parameters, okay, the HR will
Mm-hmm.
only discuss you the salary part, your location part, and your feasibility part. That you should be comfortable in the organization. That's it. Rest, what the primary interview play a major role.
Okay.
Okay, the primary in terms of the technical
Yes, sir.
interview. Is it clear to you?
Yes, clear. Pretty much clear. Thank you.
And you are good in all these. I'm 100% sure you can easily clear the primary interview as well.
Yes.
Am I audible, Gaurav?
Yes, sir. Yes, you audible.
Perfect. Any other question? Or we can wind up this
No, sir.
session.
Yeah, I think he's having some, technical network issues, and he got his answer. Actually, he was affirming on the same. So I think we can have a concluding. Maybe you can just summarize in 30 seconds or so. And yeah, still, I would ask if anybody is having any question.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
although we are sort of time, so yes, one question we may take and we can conclude. Yes,
Hello,
Ashwin.
sir. Okay.
Yeah,
So
please.
I have a question that when we will face interview as a fresher and interviewer will ask what is your salary expectation. So how should we answer this question?
Very good question. So in fresher point of view, you not worry about the salary part. You should always say, look, if suppose your senior is there in that company, they will give you the basic idea that you will get that much amount of salary. Okay. So from the fresher point of view, you should not discuss anything related to the salary part. You should only focus on the learning part. Earning comes only after learning. Okay, so don't say any. I'm okay with that. The HR will not ask you what is your salary expectation. Okay, they have some criteria. From the fresher point of view, HR have some basic criteria that they can give you the salary package from this range based on your the college you are belong from. Some belong from Mumbai. There is a college in RAIT like that. There are some NIT college, there are some local colleges. So based on that, HR have some sub criteria to decide the salary part.
Okay,
They
sir.
will not ask you that what is your salary expectations.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Almost all of you are amazing guys. You are good in all your communication and all these things. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kushal.
Yeah, I would like to thank you for giving us time, and also on your weekend part, that is the holiday part. So taking
Huh.
out this much time, extending it to,
Huh.
we are extending it to 10 minutes. So thanks a lot
Huh.
once again. And I'm very much sure that this has been very much helpful for everybody who has joined this, and others also who have not joined. So we will share this clip with them so that they can also get benefited. And for future also, we'll just request the same thing from you. So once again, thank you, thanks a lot, and thanks again everybody, and thanks Himanshu for this wonderful discussion.
Thank you, Kushal.
Thank you so much,
everyone.
sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, so we are concluding here. Thank you.